Witness. Who is the witness of all the activities, individual activities? You are active from morning to night. This is individual activity. Then universal activity, sun shining, moon, stars, earth revolving, waves rising from the ocean, air moving, activity. Who is the witness of all this activity? Who was the witness before the creation of the universe, before the beginning of the Creator itself? Who was the witness? Who is now the witness of what is going on? And who will be the witness after the dissolution? What is this witness? And we call this witness as Brahman, and Brahman cannot be translated into any other language. I can't call it God. God is also in the mind. Mind could be earlier. The mind creates, thought creates God. So God must be in the thought of the mind. Yet, who is the witness of the mind, thought, God? So this word Brahman is that which was witness before the creation of the universes, and which will remain the witness after the dissolution, and that word we call Brahman, omniscient, omnipresence. So in English, you see, they use it absolute, but then also it will not match the correct meaning of Brahman. So Brahman I cannot explain, but then I have explained this witness. The word is Sakshi. Sakshi is who is not in touch with the activity, just witnessing, as the witness has got nothing to do with the activity. If some quarrel goes on, the judge in the court calls for the witness who has not taken part in the quarrel. If whatever he says, he is accepted, otherwise the case does not move, would be dismissed. I remember there was one quarrel in Varanasi. Some years, some centuries ago. It is very interesting, maybe 400 years ago. There two people were quarreling, and they were arrested by the police, produced before the magistrate in the court. So the magistrate wants a witness, because each man says, I was going and it was this man who attacked, and both were making the same statement. And now the judge wanted someone who is a witness. So asked the police to bring someone who has witnessed this quarrel, this fight. So there was only one man. He was there, and the police people knew him, and the police also knew this man is a saint. This man is a saint. So they left him. But it was only this man alone. It was very early hours of the morning when they started. They were having some revenge upon each other. So they found time and one person attacked. So this man was produced in the court, and this man says, he who has seen, the witness is one who has seen the fight, and he who has seen speaks not, and he who speaks sees not. Do you understand? What does it mean? He who sees speaks not, and who speaks sees not, because he said, the eyes has seen. This man said, I will later tell you who was this man. Eyes has seen some people fighting. Eyes have seen, eyes were the witness, but they speak not. Eyes don't speak. It is the mouth that speaks, but mouth has not seen. Therefore, what could be said? And you know who it was? It was Kabir. For the first time he touched about the witness, you see. So, knowing that it was Kabir and he may be speaking from some different angle, everybody speaks about this absolute Brahman, Atman, consciousness, bliss, existence, and you listen very well. Now, who is the witness when the word is spoken? Consciousness. And you understand very well. The sages say so. You have heard from the saints and you have read from the sutras also. You are Brahman, you are Atman, you are existence, you are consciousness, you are bliss, you are Sat Chit Anand. You have listened it. After having listened, ears have listened. Ears are listening this thing. You are that, Tattvam Asi, you are it. Even you say, Aham Brahmasmi, I am that witness, I am that source. You are the source. Having known that you are the witness, you are the source, even when you hear, you are the witness. Who is real witness, no one knows it. And that witness is residing in our hearts. But when we act, any activity which is going on, individual activities, to whom we attribute. So that's also called self. I have done it. I myself did it, you see. I myself saw it. So who is this I myself saw it? I myself did it. So this witness is something else, you see. And yet you see, I myself saw it. It was I who did it. Even then you are conscious. Even then you are conscious of this, that I have done it. Even you know that I have done it. You are conscious of this, I have done it also. You are conscious of even I. When the word I have done it, you see. So what is this? Who's conscious of this first thought? And that must be the witness. who can ever see it? Who can ever describe it?